Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to show you how to make honey roasted chicken with a Chinese twist. So I have here chicken wings that I've cleaned and disjointed. So it's all washed and dried in here. So all I'm going to do is just pour all the ingredients in. And first one is lemon juice or lime juice, some salt, some 5-spice powder. And 5-spice might be a little difficult to get because when I first came to Vegas, I couldn't find it. So I had to make my own. And I'll show you how to make it here. Next is some brown sugar and some fresh ginger that's been minced, some fresh garlic minced. And I know they sell garlic in the bottle, but it has chemicals and I just don't like it like that. The taste is not the same, so I always use fresh ginger and fresh garlic. And then some green onions, some Chinese parsley or some cilantro. Funny, in Hawaii, everybody calls it Chinese parsley because I guess the Chinese are the main ones who use it, but here they call it cilantro. Then there's some Chinese wine and some Chinese bean sauce. And this is what it looks like. You can get it in Chinatown. The other ingredients we put in is some soy sauce. Key ingredient is some honey. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it up really good. Now if you have time, you can marinate this up to overnight, but I'm not doing that today. So I'm just doing it straight. Just mixing it up really good, get all the ingredients together. And then we're gonna put it on I have a half-sheet baking pan here. And then I'm gonna put it on there. You can also do this with a whole chicken if you like to, but the wings or the small pieces will be much faster. So I have here, I had a 5-pound tray of chicken wings that I, like I said, disjointed. That's the oven going off, means the temperature is ready for 425 degrees. Now it'll fit pretty much on this pan. Probably have to make it a little closer so they all fit. But you don't want to stack them one on top of the other. Just lay them so there's space for the heat to move around. Okay, and then just a few more pieces. And that's it. Later on I can use this for basting if I want to. Okay, so I'm gonna take off my gloves. Just a lot easier if you wear gloves because it's kind of messy. Now I have the oven behind me, it's preheated. I'm gonna put this in. I'm putting the chicken in for 45 minutes to 60 minutes and I'll check it to see if it's done. That's why I'm not real positive on 60 minutes. Okay, it's been 45 minutes. I've taken it out and I'm going to turn it over. And I'm going to put some sauce over it. Yeah, doesn't it look delicious? Oh, nice color to it. Just get the other side. Smells really good too. Now I'm going to put some sauce over it to make it really nicer. It's smelling wonderful. Just pour the rest of the sauce over. Okay. Now I'm going to put it back in for 15 minutes. I'll see you in 15 minutes. Now I'm going to take out the chicken. Nice color. And smells really good. Okay. So you can see it's browned very nicely. So I'm just going to put a couple pieces on my plate. And you see all the sauce. I thought it would be too much, but it just evaporated and it went into the chicken. It's kind of hot, but let me try, see if I can eat it. See how tender it is, and you can see both sides have browned very well. So this was cooking a total of 1 hour. I think that's the perfect time. Okay, so now I'll try it. Yummy. Tastes really good. I think everybody will love this. And remember, you can make it. You saw how simple it was. I had the chicken already, and I just poured everything on it, mixed it up, put it on a pan, and it was ready to go. And I'm sure this will be gone by tonight. It's that good. So, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't, because it really helps my channel. And ring that bell so that you can be notified when I drop new videos like this. And thank you very much for watching. Mahalo, and see you on the next video.